Okay, guys, we are live, and this is the last post this evening for the culture proof. Maybe I might add it as a activity Wednesday, following how to style your hair, so that you don't have to freaking shave it. You can have long hair, and that looks expensive, you know. Okay, so if you're using a low cost computer with a limited number of RAM, 4 gig RAM, that's not a lot, right? So your operating system will let you use an SD card to help the RAM. It's a lot better than using your hard drive. They'll say if you only have 4 gigs of RAM, it'll unload data onto the hard drive and it'll write it. It'll take a long time. So in between that solution is an SD card. An SD card is a lot faster than your hard drive, and it's a lot cheaper too. So basically, you can upgrade your RAM without actually buying RAM itself. You can buy an SD card. It's a lot cheaper. This one is maybe 8 gigs that I bought for $15. So I bought an 8 gig SD card for $15, and you plug it into your computer, and then or Windows, what have you, just Google how to use your SD card as RAM. It'll show you how to use your SD card as RAM. So Google how to use an SD card as RAM for your operating system. And if you only have 4 gigs of RAM, you can instantly add, like this one's 15, what did I say, 8 gigs for $15. You can instantly add 8 gigs for $15. That's faster than your hard drive, but a lot less than actual RAM. Okay. One word of caution is that when you do this, it's kind of like plugging it into your brain. So never pull it out. Is like plugging it into your brain, right? I just added 8 gigs to my brain. Never pull it out. You never know when it's being in use. So when you use this, plug it in, leave it in there. Boop, boop, boop. And then if you want to eject it, you have to, on your operating system, click, 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 eject, right? Never, when you put it in there, just pull it out. It was like zzz, like that. All right. That's a word of warning, but people make errors. So back up your data, and got a low cost computer, you're a beginner or something. 4 gigs not a lot, right? It'll really chug. So buy an SD card, another $15 for 8 gigs. Stick it in there, and now you got more memory, which is faster than your hard drive, which is like your stomach, right? But never just pull it out. It's like, oh my God. You like that? That's a tip for low-cost computers. Have a good night. Bye-bye.